Well, hello there, and welcome to the Barefoot Skinner Outdoor Edition. Today I'm going to be working on a elk mount, and this particular set of antlers, the client wants the antlers to be removable. So I'm going to set up here and see if I can set this drill press up to put the hole in there that I need to insert the sleeve for the pin. I've done this another time with a hand drill, and boy, was that a lot of work. So I'm going to try using the drill press today here in my outdoor shop. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. First thing I need to do is put me a flat spot in there so that I can start a center drill down this pedestal here. I've got to drill through this pedestal and at least 2.5 inches into the beam without coming out the side of it. It'll be a 1 inch hole that'll eventually be in there. That's the plan. The idea is to whittle enough out of there so I can get started with the drill bit without removing the structural integrity of that skull cap. Go chew on that. Yeah, it's going to require some rigging. I want to get it stabilized so that I can start cutting in that without trying to hold it. Here it goes. When I've got that in a hand drill, it's really these are the sleeves that's going to go in there. These are aluminum tubing with a square 1/2 inch hole in them, and a steel rod will go in there. So these sleeves will drive in there, and be about this far up into the antler. Steel pin in it. All should be well. I just need to double check my depth there. The sleeve's the same length as this screwdriver. I can't. So I got that much. I want a little bit more. We'll go back down on this side. Now I've got that much in the hole. So hope you enjoyed this outdoor episode of the Barefoot Skinner channel at Creeks Bend Taxidermy. And what a beautiful day it is. Sunshiny. We had a little bit of rain last night, which we needed greatly. Thank the Lord for that. And just pray that He'd continue to watch over and bless us in all that we do. I'll see you back inside. Well, welcome back into the inside shop here at the Barefoot Skinner channel. I'm going to bond a little cap on the ends of these sleeves. That way I can keep the Bondo out of them. After I put Bondo in here, I'm going to drive them in that hole, keep the Bondo out of this sleeve because the pins have got to go in there. I know it'll stick to my fingers. I want to make sure I get it worked down in the hole. It's got to support that piece of tubing. More. Where's my X? Hopefully without squeezing it all out. Pound on that one too much, but we'll let that set up. I'll get that turned around where I can saw those antlers off there. So I'm going to start working my way through this antler here. There you have it. followed that burr line all the way around there, and it come out pretty well. Didn't damage any of the antler burr, so call that a success. That filled with the Bondo really good in there, so that tubing cannot twist. We'll do the other side. There it is. Can set right over the top of it and be removable. And it's off. See the holes, not quite in the center of that burr, but it's still in plenty of mass, so that structurally it'll be fine. There's a lot of bone structure here still outside that hole. So, these bulls fight, bang their antlers together out there in the field during this time that they're being hunted. So there's a lot of strength to that bone there. No worries about it coming apart. Well, that's a job. But got it done now, and I can move on to preparing this. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. And as always, to God be the glory. And let's keep this nation in our prayers, its service members, that the Lord would protect them and guide them, bring them back home safely, those that are in the field. Thank you for watching.